Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today's tutorial is related to quartz and epidote minerals. As you can see, the epidote minerals and its formula. It is silicate minerals, and its formula is that we estimated it by a wavelength reflection, and so some formula which we use in it, and we have this data of Landsat 8. So for quartz and epidote, this band will be uses band 7 divided by band 2 and band 6 divided by band 2 for epidote and quartz. And for Landsat 7 and 5, we use the band 7 and band 1 as compared to this one, the band 5 and band 1. So we have already our image of raster data, atmospheric corrected one. Okay, and now we just give here the raster calculator to perform over this formula. To estimate where is the wavelength height for it. We apply the formula of this one like that for Landsat 8. Okay, first I will find the quartz and then I will go for the epidote. So for the quartz, the formula is band 7 divided by band 2, and we give its output has a quartz mineral. So the high value and high reflectance showing will be the quartz area, and this will be on the basis of wavelength reflection from raster data remote sensing the image, and it will then I little escapage. So guys, as you can see, there is a very little area where the quartz will be present, quartz mineral around near the river. As you can see, here is such kind of, not here, but I am showing you where is it present. This red and brown area showing low value for the quartz, but for the blue and the light brown areas, as you can see this one, this is the path of a river, and quartz is a silicate mineral, so it's near along to the water. So this is the river path, and here will be you found the quartz. So this this is on the reflective base data, and it will be showing like that. So next we going for the epidote, and we will check where is the epidote found in the more, and where is the epidote at the less amount. So let's try. And the formula for raster calculator, we open this, and we have a formula for epidote is 6 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2, and we give its the name as a Epidote. Okay, so I'm little escaping because it's taking time. So now our epidote is also done. So now we check where is it high or where is it low as compared to the quartz. So let's find. For the good result, we will be selected it like that in the standard deviation, but we will be it on classified for a good result. So now we need to classify it for a good result. So as you can see, epidote is also a silicate minerals. It also near to the this part where the quartz is present, and I'm going to show you. that, but I will classify it on the classification. On the quartz classifier, I will change color red, purple. It will be good. Select ring. So the red will be showing high ring for it, and the 0 will be the low for it. So these all values is around to there, but for little area like that is in a blue or red. So these will be classified on the values wise, but on the stretch one it will be look like that. Because it is a deserted area, if you apply it on the area where the river is more in abundance, so it will result will be good in this sense. Okay, so this is for the estimating of quartz and Epidote mineral formulas, and I hope it will help you in your research and your estimation. Thanks for watching.